Hi, it's me Sushant Arora. Let's see what we can do in gold. Uh, so right now gold is at 1980 level and it's 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So yesterday what happened? I have told this 61 fib a good zone of interest. If we see in a 15-minute time frame, so so this was our zone of interest from 5-minute time frame. Let's see. So it reached in night, it reached to 1972 level at the top of our zone, and it gave almost see 1972 and 60 odd pips. So we usually, or I usually take my majority of profit in 5 pips only. So that's basically my mode of trading, because as the situation, international situation, so I'm not looking for a major downside in the gold, as I said in my previous video as well, that gold will soon touch 2000 or 2050 level. So right now gold is falling, and it was it's just the US session started, so that's why gold is falling from last I think 1645, and right now it's 520. So from last 30-35 minutes gold is falling. So if I'll see the major zone now, I'll go again in the daily time frame. So the major it give pullback from this high. If you see, it's near 1985. So 1985 is a good zone of interest if you see the previous level. So from here it didn't touch that high, but between this week and this week, so 1985, it's a round number, so it came back from 1985 to 1977 right now. And if you see that it has responded from 1980 or between 1985 earlier as well several times. So if you see from here 1983, and this is also a strong support zone, and this is a strong resistance zone. So if you see, it has responded several times from this level 1985, and it is showing the same. And if we see that it has given more than 50 pips easily, and apart from this, if it come down, so let's see, and we'll draw a small fib as well over here. तो यहाँ पे हम कहाँ ले सकते हैं? सो ये एक अच्छा जोन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है. इफ यू सी दैट यहाँ पे इट्स अ बिगर 50 फिप पुल बैक, एंड इट्स अ 236 between this area. Now I'll move this to this. So this is the zone of interest for me now. So between 1944 to 1939, if it comes back to this level, maybe on Friday, because Tuesday we have buying, Wednesday we have buying, Thursday we have buying, today is Friday we are also on the upside right now. Maybe we'll see at the end of the session some downtrend. So next interest at the bottom of over here is for me between 1944, and so I'll stop and I'll put an alert over here. 1944 390. So if it comes to this level, then I may buy, but it's very far, it's not very close. So it might come to this level, 1967. Here also you can buy if you see in 4-hour time frame. So in 4-hour time frame, 1969 is a good zone of interest for me. It can show a pullback, because if you see it's coming down, it's the railing, it's only going up only, so there is no sign of pulling back. So it's making like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It did break this level, it's again making higher high, higher low. So the trend is upward, so try to only look for a buy trade. If it break this area 1944, then we can see some pullback, then we can see some major downward trend. But I think this is not possible because of the tension and the occurring across the globe because of the Israel and Philistine war. So we may soon this level. Okay, I'll delete this one. So on a daily time frame, if we see, so this is next zone of interest for me at 2000. So I'll extend this from 1999 to this 2005. So this will be a next sell for me. So this is, let's see what dollar is doing. So dollar is again at there is some consolidation. It break the trend, it came back to the trend line. Now it's consolidating. So if it goes, which is more probably, the chances are high that it will go downward to this level, which is 104.4, then it might go up back again. But right now, if it is breaking the trend line, and if you see no higher high are making, so the chances are that it will show a downward trend from here. So if it show a downward trend, then gold will definitely go up. So right now I think this level 2000 level is not very far. We may see that, maybe not today, but next week we'll definitely see this level. So if you have any question, any query, just let me know. I don't use like so many indicators. I just see the volume, I just see the EMA, which is 50, 100 and 200 EMA, and I make my zone of interest as per the demand and supply. Because where, if earlier it is showing pullback, or it is showing support at a zone, so that's my point, like where I take the trade. So for me, next zone is like 2000 and between 2000 to 2005, and it can come back to 69 and then go back up. Or if it break this 1969 level, then it can come back to this 1938 or 1944 to 1938. Then it will go, eventually it will go back. So that's for sure. We'll soon see this level, and here I will take the trade. Thank you guys.